how to install apps on your iPhone without App Store passcode. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to install an application on your iPhone and you don't want your iPhone to prompt you to type your Apple ID password each time you want to install an application, then these are the steps you need to take. Go ahead and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down, click on screen time. Click on content and privacy restrictions. If you have not enabled passcode on your screen time, click on screen time to set in your passcode. Then if content and privacy restrictions is turned off, go ahead and turn it on. Now locate and click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Locate installing apps under store purchases and redownload. Set this to don't allow. Hit the back button. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Then go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Now locate any application you want to install on your iPhone. So in this case, let me just quickly close this. Open the App Store again, and then go ahead and click on any application you want to install on your iPhone. It should say install from the pop, and your iPhone no longer asks you to provide your App Store passcode. You see that? So that's exactly how to install apps on iPhone from App Store without the passcode. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.